Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing watercolor scenery. So if you also want to create this and want to know the complete process, then keep watching our video till the end. Because at the end, you are going to see some more mesmerizing examples just like this. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, here we are in Canva interface and we are going to search here for YouTube thumbnail page. Okay, after searching for it, we are going to select this create blank option. So we selected a blank page of YouTube thumbnail size. After this, we are moving to element section and in that too recently used section. And first of all, we are using this watercolor mountains. So we simply selected it and now we are going to cover the whole page with it in the line form, as you can see here. Okay, just adjusting it guys. Now duplicating it one more time and putting it just aside of the previous one. Just increasing the size of the middle mountain as well. Okay, after this we are going to use this green watercolor illustration and going to cover the whole below part of the mountain, so that it will create a ground here. Okay, so as you can see here, now we are cropping the extra part and now it's done. After this, we are going to send it to back. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay guys, after this we are again here in the recently used section and now we are going to add this wildflower watercolor. So we are going to place these flowers just in front of the mountains to make our mountain more greenery. Just duplicating it and covering the whole mountain area with it. And that's it guys. I think it's done. Okay, now after this we are using this bush watercolor. So we are simply going to select it and going to put it just in front of the mountain in the left hand side. We are putting here a duplicate part of it as well by decreasing its size. And now it's done. Okay guys, so now to make it more flowery in nature, we are going to add here some flowers. Like this one, a peach flower watercolor. So we are simply going to select this flower and going to place it in the multiples above the bush. Also guys, we speed up here the video so that it will take a less time for you all to see the complete process. Also guys, if you are liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video. Do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post our new stuff. Okay guys, so now it's done. After this, we are going to use this watercolor country house. So we are simply going to select it and going to place it in the page. You also have to do it in the same way like the way we are doing. Okay, just adjusting the mountain a little bit and now the house. Okay guys, so now it's done. After this, we are going to cover the lower part of the house with this grass. So we are simply selecting it, decreasing its size and placing it below the house. Okay guys, now duplicating it and putting it aside of it. And by the way, its name was watercolor grass. Okay guys, now after this we are going to add here a few more elements. So for now we are using this illustration of flowers. So we are just putting it in the front of the house, as you can see here. Okay guys, now it's done. Now we are going to add here one more flower and that is this flowers, its name is. So we are decreasing its size and putting it. Okay, just adjusting it a little bit and it's done. Okay, after this we are going to add here this watercolor tree. Okay, so we are just increasing its size a little bit and putting it just aside the house in the right side. Okay guys, now after this, using this flower here. By trimming it, we are putting it here. Okay, now it's done. After this, adding some more flowers here. Also guys, all the flowers which I am using, their names are flashing in your screens. So you can use them easily if you want, or if you want you can add some new flowers also here. It's up to you guys. Okay, just putting this red flower in front of the house like the way we did before, and now it's done. Okay, now we are going to add here the bunch of flowers, and that's why I speed up the video here once again. Also guys, while I'm doing this, a video is flashing in your I button, so you can check out that video as well to add more creativity to your graphic designing journey. And keep supporting us guys. Your supports motivate us to make more such amazing videos for you all. Okay guys, so it's done. Just seeing it one more time so that if adjustment is needed. Okay, we are adjusting the few flowers here. And now it's done guys. After this, we are going to add this watercolor bush here in front of the mountains to add more greenery to our mountain. Okay guys, so just adjusting it properly. And now it's done. After this, using this grass here, just adjusting it as well. Okay guys, now we are just going to duplicate these two grasses and going to cover the left out portion also with it. As you can see in your screens, you also have to do it in the same way. Also, we enlarged here the size of the grass so that the space will be covered properly. Okay guys, so now it's done, and after this we're increasing the size of this tree a little bit. Okay, now after this we are going to use this blue sky from here. Its name is flashing in your screen so you can easily find it out. Okay, so just sending it to back, trimming the extra part, and now just adjusting it as we need that bluish part in it. Okay, now after this we are going to add the sitting girl from here. Just adjusting it properly in the page, and now flipping it horizontally. Okay, a little bit more adjustment is needed, and now it's done. After this we are adding this cute bunny from here. So we are just adding it and adjusting it in the way that the head of the bunny will come below the hand of the girl. Okay guys, so it's done. And yes, of course, the name of the bunny is flashing in your screen. Okay guys, so now after this, to giving the final touch to our design, we are adding here this hummingbird. So we simply selected it and now tilting it a little bit. And now after this, we are placing it at the upper right corner. And also we are going to place the 3 duplications of this bird in the same way. Okay guys, so now it's done. So it's time to download our post, and it's downloading here. And guys, here we have our final post. So guys, what do you think about this watercolor scenery? Let us know in the comment section. Also guys, we have some more examples for you like this one. And one more here for you, and that is this one. So guys, comment down your opinions about all these designs. We would love to read them. Also guys, if you want to know about more such creative ideas, then you can check out our Canva playlist. The link is in the description box. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed and got a value here. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your beautiful selves.